My name is Philip Mellor and I'm the secretary of the King Lear Model Boat Club, and this is the Watermead Lake, King Lear Lake, where we sail usually on a Sunday morning. We can sail on here 24/7, although normally just on a Sunday. We have a water licence with the Leicester County Council, and we have their permission to sail on here. In fact, they constructed this landing stage for us sometime before I was the secretary.
And how many members do you have?
At the moment we have nearly 40 members. We did have some more prior to the COVID-19, but of course, like all clubs, unfortunately people drop out or for other reasons with the pandemic.
Yeah, so you've just got the three of you today, isn't it?
Yes, normally we're allowed to have 6 people as a maximum at one time on here, with the present government restrictions. But we have in the past had up to 19 members sailing at one time. So it can be quite busy.
Yeah.
But normally at the moment about 6.
And are all the boats made, or do you buy them?
99% of them are built by the members. People do buy boats, but the majority are built by the members.
Yeah, they're very good. So have you built this boat?
Yeah, well, it's a fiberglass hull. Didn't build the hull, but all the top and yeah, it's a fiberglass spearfish hull. Really old. They were out in the 50s and 60s. The spearfish. It's very good handling. Handles really good.
Unique, isn't it? The bath one.
Yeah, a bit. Yeah.
What gave you the idea of that one, though?
Well, I don't know really. I just got these funny, quirky things in my mind.
So we've seen the lady in the bath later, will we?
If you want to, yeah sure. For a different model, but you can use one transmitter for numerous models.
So this transmitter works all these boats?
This one works this and that one. The other transmitter works the puffer. Yeah. I've got 6 different models on this. You can get them that remember about 30 so models, but this is quite a basic radio.
Yeah. How many boats have you got now?
About 12 or so, yeah.
Oh, right. You couldn't down it. That was the thing. You could see the and it's made of plasticard and wood. You know, and that's basically what it's made of. So, and plasticard, it goes brittle. Yeah, it does. Yeah.
And this is your boat?
Yes, this one is. Yes, I built it about possibly 10 years ago.
Yeah.
It really needs rebuilding now.
And what can you tell me about this?
I bought the hull from a company and then decided to build the actual boat as a freelance project. So it doesn't actually represent any particular ship.
No.
It represents I saw a photograph of a very similar sort of vessel and I based it on that. But it's just an electric, battery-driven boat. It has a smoke unit. It has got a sound unit, and that's all I can really tell you about it.
It's very unusual. What can you tell me about this one?
Tell you about, well, it's I made the fiberglass mould from a baby's bath. Bought the little doll from a car boot. This is expanding foam, made to look like bubbles, and various ornaments on it and various LEDs. Some music, I think we've got music.
I bet there's not many boats like this, is there?
To be honest, I have never seen anything like it in my life ever. I think it's wonderful, absolutely wonderful.
No, it's very good. It's unusual.